Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to fix unusual activity detected pop-up on Elevenlabs. So firstly, we're going to go to our browser. I selected Google Chrome in this case, and we're going to search for elevenlabs.io. So once we're in their official webpage, we're going to have to log in or sign up. In this case, I'm going to log in. So once we're logged in, this pop-up is going to be seen, unusual activity detected. So to clear up this message, we're going to have to click on the 3 button on the top right corner, as you can see. After that, we're going to have to scroll down and click on Settings, then Privacy and Security. So here, we're going to go to third-party cookies and see all site data and permissions. So once we're there, we're going to go to the search tab and search for elevenlabs.io. So as you can see, it's brought us the latest results. So we're going to delete all the Elevenlabs.io cookies, as you can see. So once we click on delete, we're going to go to the website and refresh it again. So once we refresh it, we're now going to see this message again. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.